Hi, Jeff Cote with Pacific Yacht Systems. We specialize in the installation of marine electronics and electrical on boats, both power and sails. These systems are at the heart of every boat, and simple or complicated, they are designed on industry standards to keep you and your crew safe. All our technicians are ABYC and NMEA trained and receive ongoing education to stay current with the latest technologies and updates. I believe the secret to our company's success has been expertise through repetition. We concentrate on a few things and do them over and over. We live for this stuff, and it is this concentrated approach that makes us specialists within our industry. During the busy summer season, we understand the importance of getting repairs done quickly so you can get back on the water, but we also want to ensure that systems are safe and reliable. This year alone, we were invited to work on over 1,000 boats. Whether it is troubleshooting a problem or upgrading your existing system, we believe in doing it right, not just making it work. We use quality materials and work with reputable manufacturers. At PYS, we are boaters too. Thanks for watching.